Sweet fruit is our natural food. Remember when you were young and you went for the cookies before dinner and your mom got very upset and said, "Don't eat those cookies, you're going to spoil your dinner." Because nothing satisfies humans more than sweet carbohydrates. But we want the right sweet carbohydrates. We don't want cookies with oils and sugar and all that. We want fruit. Ripe, whole, organic if you can get it, fresh fruit. It's what we're designed for. You know, you ever go out to dinner and, you know, people can eat steak, spaghetti and meatballs, whatever. But what happens after dinner? The waiter or waitress comes and says, "What would you like for dessert? Do you want some chocolate mousse or some tiramisu?" You know? And people go for it. People go for it. You know why? Because they're still craving those the sweet carbohydrates that are our natural food. So fresh, ripe fruit wins out every time for our natural food. It satiates our craving for sweet carbohydrates, and you know, they're not super high in calories, but they're not super low in calories, fruits. So that, you know, because they're in the middle, we have to eat sufficient volume, which satiates us, fills up our stomach with good water, good fiber. Okay, so it wins in all ways. It satiates, it gives you that full stomach feeling. It's providing the simple sugars that your body needs. Nothing comes close to fresh fruit as our natural food. So, and the other thing, I'd just like to mention one other thing. Before you have dinner, if you're going to have your big savory salad, you know, with maybe some homemade nut dressing and lots of vegetables, lots of tomatoes, cucumbers, broccoli, cauliflower, whatever you want in there, sprouts, all kinds of things. Carrots, beets, shredded. Have some fruit before dinner. It's better to have your fruit before dinner, and that because fruit will go through your stomach quickly, but if you have fruit after dinner, it sits on top of the other food, because the other food does not leave your stomach that quick, and it tends to ferment. So you want to have the fruit before dinner. And then you won't be craving sweets after dinner. Don't have too much, you know, maybe 300-400 calories, something like that, 300 calories, some pineapple, maybe a little watermelon, some orange juice, something like that before dinner will satisfy that craving for sweet fruit. So please, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Good to be back. And I'm going to be doing a 10-day no-fat fruit cleanse. I like doing those every now and then. They really help me. They give me a nice jump start. So I will keep you posted on that and what I'm eating for that. I picked up some nice sapodillas. Oh man, if you haven't had sapodillas, it's like a pear with cinnamon, delicious. I've got a watermelon, I've got lots of oranges. The Valencias are in now, and I still have some Honeybell oranges left. So give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel first time here. All the best to your health success. Take care.